It's gonna be a good day. Rival class, we're going to make some shelters. Construction ongoing over here. We're ready to go. Judah has made a chair. Fire ring over here. Able Dave's right there and his rocking chair. Sitting in the chair that Judah built in their shelter. It's comfy. Finally made it to the top just to see how far they drop. On dinosaur hut. For lunch. Let's go. All right, we're ready to hit the trail. All right, we've hiked this trail before in the summertime, so now a wintertime hike. Emerald Lake, here we come. This is Nymph Lake that we're trekking across. There's a snowman out in the middle of the lake. Came across the Nymph Lake. Now we're along the trail again. Welcome to the mountain, right? Yeah. Welcome to the mountain. Oh. Stay close to the edge, bud. You're fine. Hi, love.
Hi.
Beautiful birds. Green Lake. It's fun to trek right across the middle of these lakes.
Obviously it's cold over a hot any day of the week.
You got some words for the camera bottle itch? Nope. People have asked me if I ever record the bad moments on the videos. I don't, but we have them. We've got some people complaining that it's hard to get up here in the snow and they're slipping and falling, and they'd rather be swimming in Florida. But I'd rather be here. Kind of see how deep the snow is there. across the lake again with my buddy. Emerald Lake this time.
There's Dad and Abel crossing the lake.
Came across Emerald Lake. Come on out! Up here we're on the Tyndale Glacier right now.
This is a glacier?
Yeah, it comes down into Emerald Lake. Back down we go. Come on, let's go.
Let's get home, go cat. It's a little bit
Hey Abe, did you run into a tree?
Oh,
Here comes Gideon ski style. Oh, she saved it. Look at the view behind us. Trail chats with Bob's, man. What are you liking about this trail so far?
probably sliding down the hill.
Sliding down the hill. Woo-hoo.
Summer way down is never going to be winter way down.
They said I couldn't do it, so I went in.
W homie, you mob it.
I have a massive pile of snow under my butt.
Back across the Nymph Lake. Trail chats with Hosea. Haz, what was your favorite part of this trail so far?
Just sliding. No, we just did.
It's just you and me and the evergreens. That's one of the songs from our Colorado playlist. Trail chats was good. What was your favorite part of the hike?
I liked crossing all the lakes. That was funny when we looked on Dad's app that we'd gone right over the center of the lake.
Face. 2 long eyes and a smile. All right. We saw Nymph, we saw Dream, we saw Emerald. Nice job, people.
What are you doing, guys?
Hey.
Bridge review.
Bridge review.
This bridge is completely covered in snow. No running water under it. So what is the point? This I give a 1.5 out of 10.
That was super fun. Nice hike.
Great hike.
Now I got hike head. Back to the room. We are literally the only people in this whole lodge. The big boys went to the gym. The little two went with Court to look for more dinosaur things, and I am working on April's Poetry Month poems. Hazen and I got noodles.
And Mom, how many carrots do you have?
Oh, yeah, and Mom. Floor is lava. Apparently, Hosea is now lava. Swish. He's on fire. Oh yeah. Boys are playing mini golf down on the other side of this building, and I can hear them shouting from here. Must be a very competitive game. Juna does win this round, huh? After Gideon won the previous two? Nice.